Now we are going to look at how the lowercase letters developed. During the time of Charlemagne, many scribes had tried to develop a lowercase alphabet which would be faster to complete all the rewriting of the Roman manuscripts. However, Charlemagne decreed in 800 that his scribe Alcuin of York would develop a lowercase alphabet which would be based on the Roman capitals. The line was now drawn, the hanging line would now be drawn through the middle. The middle hanging line came into being. And the scribe Alcuin very cleverly used the lower half of the Roman capitals. The A was based on the fact that the defining stroke of an A is the crossbar. And there we have the lowercase a. The B started at the top and just using the lower bowl. The C moved down to the hanging line. The D, we use the centre line, the hanging line, to make a letter that looks like a Greek D. The E, we can use this line and bring the middle bar below the line. The F was just a case of rounding out the existing line. Notice the detail is always put in on the hanging line. On the hanging line here we have the crossbar on the G, and that forms the basis of the top of the G, giving us this nice detail. The H is a case of using the lower half again and sliding around and disposing of this part of the H. The I moves under the line. The I dot doesn't come in until the 12th century. The J also came in the 12th century. The K is a case of moving this little V shape under the line. The L is a tall letter. Now notice this, we have a pattern developed. Small, short, tall, short, tall, short, tall, short, tall, short, tall, and then all of a sudden another tall. Now this is the last of the tall letters. The M must start on the hanging line, can't start any lower, so now we slide up round the arches and keep it under the line. The N starting on the hanging line and slide under that arch, and the O, of course, starting and finishing under the line but at the top.
And stop.